Are you looking for some tips to help your child improve their scissor skills? Well, today I have a quick tip for you, so keep on watching to learn more. Hi, I'm Amy Baez, Pediatric Occupational Therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Listen, I know that teaching scissor skills is something that parents really don't like to do. It often freaks them out. I'm always surprised how many kids learn how to hold scissors very late, and it's usually because their parents are concerned about safety. I get it. Well, I want to give you a quick tip on how to help your child improve their scissor skills. And it is using some simple action words that I love to use. I've talked about them in previous videos. If they're going to use big cuts, they're going to go chomp, chomp, chomp. And if they're going to use little cuts, they're going to chirp, 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 chirp. Usually when we're cutting, we use big motions, right? Big chomps to cut straight lines because we're just going right across the page. But if we are going in a circular motion or need to make smaller cuts, we use little tiny motions that I like to call chirps, right? So we have big alligator chomps and we have little baby chirps. Chirp, 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 chirp. Using your voice and an exaggerated sound really helps a child to hear and see and feel all at the same time what it is that you're conveying, and this helps them to realize that they need to slow down or they need to use more force in order to create a good cut. You can see on this worksheet, we're just cutting right across for your alligator chomps. When you're cutting a larger square, you would want to use chomps. I also have this sheet divided for left and right-handers because when you're right-handed, you're going to want to cut on the right side of the paper. But if you're left-handed, you're going to cut on the left side of the paper first. Now, when kids are cutting circular figures, they usually have to go slower, right? So that's why they're using that chirp, even if it's a larger object. You can see on this page that I have little birds going around in a circle, and this helps to guide a child to understand that they're supposed to do little chirp cuts when they're going around a circle so that they are not doing too much at once. This allows you time to actually turn the paper and rotate it while you're cutting. And you can see here on this sheet that when we're doing zigzags, we're going to use these little baby chirps so that you are doing smaller cuts instead of big chomping cuts. So I'm going to include a link that has a bunch of different examples on how you can chop and chirp your way using the alligators and bird icons to help you understand how to help a child chop and chirp their way through cutting skills. Be sure to check out a previous video called How to Hold Scissors. There's some great tips in there as well, especially how holding the scissors can really help you to have better cutting skills, but also some other great little tips that are not included in this video. I also have a link in the description where you can download these worksheets that I created. They're going to be free for a limited time, and I hope that you find them helpful. If you like this tip, please let me know. It'd be really helpful. It also is great if you could subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with others. Also be sure to head over to playapy.com where you can sign up for the monthly newsletter where you might receive discounts, news, and more. Until the next video, I hope you have a playful day.